Number 1. Close grip bench press. Use a Smith machine or normally flat bench and hold the barbell with the close grip hand wider than shoulder width apart. Using a light weight, bringing the barbell down to the chest and then press it upward with the support of the tricep muscle. During this entire movement, try to keep your elbow close to the body. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Number 2. Incline dumbbell curl. First of all, set the bench at a 45 degrees angle and hold the lightweight dumbbell in both hands and sit on the bench with back supported, with the hands hanging straight down and the upper arm stable. With the control form, bringing the dumbbell toward the shoulder and slightly bend them outward, then squeeze the bicep muscle and stretch the bicep muscle by bringing the dumbbell downward while maintaining the correct form. During this entire movement, you are able to use a good range of motion. Do 3 sets and 12 to 15 reps. Number 3. Easy bar skull crusher. Lean on a flat bench holding the easy bar with an overhead grip using a light weight. Start with the barbell above your chest, bending your elbow, bringing the bar down toward the forehead and while squeezing the tricep muscle, take the barbell upward with the correct form. You have to perform this with the correct form and control weight so that there is no injury in your elbow joint. If you want, you can perform it with the dumbbell also. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Number 4. Barbell curl. This is a traditional barbell curl exercise which increases the size of the entire bicep and also make the grip of the hands very strong. This is a highly performed exercise. First of all, stand holding the medium sized barbell equally to shoulder width. Select the plate according to your strength so that your form remains correct. Without jerking the body, lift it upward with the control form, then hold it for 1 second and squeeze the bicep muscle and while maintaining the form, bringing the barbell to the starting position. Also do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions and increase the weight after each set. Number 5. Cable push down. Attach the rope cable or straight bar cable to the upper lock of the cable machine and stand facing the machine. Along with creating a good cutting in the tricep also become bigger faster. In this, whenever you push the handle downward, hold it for 1 to 2 seconds and squeeze the tricep muscle and then slowly bringing the handle to the starting position. During this movement, keep your elbow close to the body. Perform 3 sets and 12 to 15 reps. Number 6. Barbell spider curl. You can use a straight barbell or dumbbell. First of all, lean down on an incline bench with chest supported as shown in the video and hold the barbell with both hands, keeping your upper arm stable on the bench. Lift the barbell toward the forehead with proper mind and muscle connection and hold for 1 second and while controlling the speed, bringing the barbell downward to stretch the bicep muscle. Perform 3 sets and 12 to 15 reps.